Hey, it's Levi here from Digital Epidemic, coming at you with another mobile first video. And we're still on the blogging for profit series where we're creating a blogging website using WordPress as our content management system and Acabado as our theme. And in this video, we're going to be covering how to create a favicon. Now, when I say favicon, what exactly are we talking about here? Let's see if I can go ahead and go in and show you in Chrome here. I know they definitely show up in the tabs in Chrome, but I don't know how well that works on the mobile version. So click on the I. Let's see if it shows it when we click on the 8 here. Yeah, so this little icon right here is called the favicon. That little tiny guy right there, right there, right there. And then I believe Chrome, when you do a new tab, I believe it pulls from the favicon to show you all these down here of your most recently visited websites. So you definitely want to get that in there and get a custom favicon going for your site. So let's go ahead and go back into the back end of our website. We're going to go see what Acabado wants for that in terms of what size to make our custom favicon. I'm going to click on the menu button. We're going to scroll down to Acabado settings. And we're going to open up the settings menu, click on Acabado settings again. And right under logo, I believe, is our favicon. And they're asking for a 40 by 40 pixel image in JPEG or PNG format. So let's go make that. Let's hit home here, 40 by 40. And let's go into Adobe Photoshop Express. Once we're in here, let's click on, I think I'm going to use, this one would make for a better favicon, I would guess, than this. Yeah, why not? So we're going to go in here. Let's just make it that tiny little part up here. I'm going to tell it I want a 1:1 ratio, so I still get a square. And clicking and dragging, put it right in the middle there. I'm just going to hit back and hope it saves. Yes, I would like to save. All right, so now we got one of those in our photos. We're just going to go to a website that does this for us. Favicon Maker, favicon.io. Sounds good. Get it done for us here. From text, generate from an image. Click. Scroll down. Doesn't actually let us tell it what size we want. Okay, it's going to give us some smaller ones. Okay. Preview, drag your file here, or click here to upload. Okay, I click there, click Files, click File Manager, click on Home, Images, Photoshop Express, that's the one, right there, that little guy right there. Now we click Download. We can go ahead and close out of this, go into our Utilities File Manager, click once, back up, hit home, let's move me down. We want to go into downloads there, favicon.io. And after I click on it once, let's see here, what all does it give us? Extract at the bottom right there to that folder. That's great. Awesome. Now we have a whole bunch of different ones we can try, but this 32 by 32 will work perfect. So now we'll go ahead and close out of this and go back into our browser window. All right, so now we're back here in Chrome. We're going to click on the favicon icon here, click on the X to get rid of the one that came with, click Add Image, click Upload File. Now we're going to click Select File, Files, hit Home, File Manager. Actually, this one should be under our downloads now. In the folder, favicon_io. And we want 32 by 32. So I don't know what size that one is, but I know this one will work. And it's nice and small. File size, small that is. All right. So there we go. Now we just go scroll up to the top of this and click update. And that should do it. Don't know how fast it will be on the phone as far as it getting live on the site. Let's click here. No, it still shows it up in the bar there. Hey, just a quick update here right at the end of the video. It did take a few days, I believe. Well, I guess I just didn't check on it for a few days, but it did go ahead and populate. The Favicon here in Chrome does now show as that guy right there. All right, so this is going to be probably the next video, is figuring out the secure socket layer. We want to make sure we enable our SSL, so stay tuned for the next video about that. Again, I'm Levi from Digital Epidemic. Thanks for watching. Click some likes and bells and subscriptions and all that good stuff for me, huh? Until the next video, I'm out.